Hi guys, today's lesson is on the water cycle. Thank God for the water cycle. I wouldn't be able to drink this water. And my cytoplasm in the cells of my body is dying out for water. In fact, most of the chemical reactions that happen in your body require water. Let's get outside and see how the water cycle takes place. Okay, you can see up there, those are clouds. In fact, there's some real grey ones over there. The grey ones are getting heavy water. When they're heavy enough, they're going to open and rain will come down. We call the rain precipitation. When rain comes down, it's called precipitation. There are 4 key terms for the water cycle. And the first one is precipitation when it rains. But where do the clouds come from? Look at these clouds. Where do they actually come from? Well, in the sea, the sun's radiation shines down on the sea and causes evaporation. Water molecules with enough energy leave the surface of the sea and go up into the air. As it gets colder higher up in the atmosphere, they condense, condensation, into clouds. You can just see the sun up there through those clouds. Where that's shining on the sea is causing evaporation of water and then condensation into these clouds. But it's not just evaporation of water that is causing cloud formation. Some of the water goes down into the soil and then comes up into these trees and these plants. What's at the back of the leaf? Well, there's tiny holes. I can't see them unless I have a microscope. Those tiny holes are called stomata. Water evaporates out of the stomata by a process called transpiration. It goes back up there into the clouds. So it's a cycle. The rain comes down in precipitation. The trees suck up the water by osmosis into their roots. And then through transpiration, through the stomata in the underneath of a leaf, the water evaporates, goes back up into the clouds. So we have 4 processes. We have evaporation of water from the leaves of trees, transpiration. We have evaporation of water from the sea, just called evaporation. Then we have condensation. When they hit the cool atmosphere, they form clouds like these clouds up here. And then, when the clouds are ready, they release their rain in precipitation. And this cycle goes round and round. Of course, when it rains, that forms surface water and groundwater. And water runs into lakes and rivers. And then down to the sea, and the process will repeat again with the evaporation of water from the sea and the transpiration of water from the leaves of plants. That's the water cycle. Okay guys, here's a map of the water cycle. What's going to follow now is an exam question on the water cycle, so rewind the video if you need to, or just study this map and have a go at the question about the water cycle. Thanks for watching, and yeah, let's get to the marks.